In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange video tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you're organizing a timeline and you want your layers in a different order, DaVinci Resolve makes it very easy to rearrange your video tracks directly from the timeline area. This is especially helpful when you're working with multiple clips, overlays, graphics, or stacked video elements and you need everything in a cleaner, more logical layout. To begin, go to the timeline and tracks area of your project. This is the section where all of your video tracks are displayed, usually stacked vertically on the left side of the timeline. Take a moment to identify the specific track you want to move. It's important to make sure you're clicking on the track itself, not just an individual clip, because the goal here is to change the position of the entire track within the timeline. Once you've found the track you want to rearrange, right-click on that track. This will open a context menu with several options related to track management. From that menu, look for the option that lets you move the track. You can then choose either Move Track Up or Move Track Down, depending on where you want that track to go. If you want the selected track to appear higher in the stack, click Move Track Up. If you want it placed lower, click Move Track Down. As soon as you select the option, DaVinci Resolve will update the track order for you. This can help you quickly adjust the visual hierarchy of your timeline, which is useful when certain clips need to appear above or below others. One helpful tip is to keep an eye on how your timeline is structured after each move, especially if you're working with layered elements. Rearranging tracks can affect how clips are visually stacked, so it's a good idea to confirm that everything still appears the way you want in the viewer. That's really all there is to it. Just go to the timeline and tracks area, right-click the track you want to rearrange, and choose Move Track Up or Move Track Down based on your preferred layout. It's a simple feature, but it can make your editing workflow much smoother and more organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.